I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade waffles step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1/3 cup of melted butter or oil, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Having these ready makes the process smooth. Now let's prepare the batter. In one bowl, beat 2 egg whites until they form stiff peaks, then set them aside. In another bowl, whisk the 2 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1½ cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently fold in the beaten egg whites. It's time to cook. First, preheat your waffle iron to its medium-high setting. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour approximately 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron for each waffle. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffles are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Repeat with the remaining batter. Your delicious waffles are ready. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. You can top them with traditional favorites like maple syrup, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or fresh fruits such as strawberries and blueberries. For a delightful twist, try them with Nutella, honey, or even a savory topping like fried chicken or a fried egg. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.